The touch panel on my SMEG SCP-115X has stopped responding. This happened a year ago, and after waiting a few days, trying it often, it suddenly started to work again. I called an engineer who ordered the PCB for that section of the touch panel. When it started failing again yesterday, the part was replaced but the problem persisted. At the moment I am unable to power on or select the function of the oven. The temp and timer controls are fully functional on the other touch panel.
Hi, my name is XXXXXXXXXX. I look forward to helping you. Your touch panel may be experiencing a failure. You may need to replace the control panel, but there is a trick you can try first. Turn off the power to the appliance. Use a hair dryer to heat the panel up until very warm while rubbing firmly over each of the buttons. Oftentimes, this will restore operation. Be sure to get the panel very warm but not hot enough to damage the plastic. Let me know what happens, please.
Hi Kelly, so it may not be the PCB on the other side of the touch panel but actually the panel itself?
Possibly. The heat will usually create some type of change if it is, even if it does not totally correct it. Once it is heated we can have a better idea with no parts cost just yet.
Okay, I will try that tomorrow and let you know. Many thanks. Scott.
That will be just fine, thank you. XXXXXXXXXX the rest of your evening.
Hi Kelly, I've tried the hairdryer method and I can't say that it worked. It has changed the functionality a bit but it is still not reliable. Sometimes swiping a finger very lightly over the 3-panel touch area will work but sometimes it doesn't. We have removed the PCB behind the touch panel and cleaned the glass in case it was a contact issue, but this has not resolved the problem either.
Okay, so the change indeed indicates that the touch panel is the issue, not the PCB. At least you know what part you need to replace now.
Any idea where these things can be sourced or how much they might be?
That part may be sourced from the company below, but they do not have it listed, so you will have to phone them for pricing. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.